Introduction. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel where we explore innovative problem-solving techniques. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the task unification technique in systematic inventive thinking. Task unification is a powerful tool that can help us come up with creative solutions to complex problems. So, let's dive right in. Have you ever faced a problem that seemed unsolvable? A challenge that required thinking outside the box? That's where the task unification technique comes in. It's a part of the systematic inventive thinking framework, a structured approach to innovation. By assigning additional tasks or functions to existing elements within a system, we can unlock hidden potential and discover unique solutions. In this video, we'll explore the process of task unification, its benefits, and how it can revolutionize problem solving. So, let's get started. But before we delve into task unification, let's take a moment to understand systematic inventive thinking, SIT. SIT provides a systematic framework for generating innovative ideas. It helps us break free from traditional thinking patterns and explore new possibilities. Within SIT, there are various techniques, and task unification is one of the most valuable ones. Task unification challenges us to rethink the components of a system and assign them additional jobs or functions. It's like giving an object or process a new role, expanding its capabilities and potential. By doing so, we can create surprising solutions that address complex problems in unexpected ways. Now, let's dive into the process of applying the task unification technique and witness its transformative power. So, if you're ready to unlock the hidden potential within systems and uncover groundbreaking solutions, let's explore the task unification technique in systematic inventive thinking together. In the next segment, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of task unification, using real-world examples to illustrate its application. Stay tuned, and get ready to witness the magic of innovation. Welcome back. Now that we understand the fundamentals of the task unification technique, let's dive deeper into the body of this video. We'll explore the step-by-step process of task unification and examine its benefits in problem solving. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Identify the components or elements of the system related to the problem you are trying to solve. Break down the system into its fundamental parts. This step is crucial as it helps us understand the existing elements and their roles in the system. Step 2. Select one of the components and imagine giving it an additional task or function that it doesn't currently perform. This is the task unification step. It's about expanding the boundaries of what a component can do, allowing it to serve a dual purpose. Step 3. Explore the potential benefits and consequences of the task unification. How does the added function contribute to solving the problem? What are the potential trade-offs? It's important to assess the impact and feasibility of the newly assigned task. Step 4. Refine and iterate on the solution by adjusting the task and evaluating its feasibility. This step involves testing and refining the concept to ensure it's viable. It may require considering technical aspects, user experience, and practical implementation. Step 5. Implement the solution and evaluate its effectiveness. Measure the impact and gather feedback to continuously improve the solution. This step allows us to validate our ideas in the real world and make necessary adjustments based on user responses. By following these steps, we can leverage the task unification technique to uncover innovative solutions that address complex problems. Now, let's dive into an example to see how task unification works in practice. Imagine you're designing a smart home security system. You have components like cameras, motion sensors, and door locks. Let's apply task unification to enhance the system's capabilities. Step 1. Identify the components. In this case, we have cameras, motion sensors, and door locks. Step 2. Apply task unification. Let's imagine giving the motion sensors the additional task of analyzing facial expressions and emotions. Step 3. Explore the potential benefits and consequences. By adding this function, the motion sensors can detect not only movement but also identify potential threats based on facial expressions, adding an extra layer of security. Step 4. Refine and iterate. We could consider incorporating advanced algorithms and machine learning to accurately analyze facial expressions, ensuring reliable results. Step 5. Implement and evaluate. Once we have a prototype, we can test it in a simulated environment and gather feedback from users to further refine the technology and improve its effectiveness. As you can see, task unification allows us to reimagine the role of components within a system, leading to innovative solutions that address complex problems in a unique way. Benefits of task unification technique. Benefit 1. Enhanced creativity. Task unification challenges us to think beyond the conventional uses of components within a system. By assigning additional tasks or functions, we break free from traditional thinking patterns and open ourselves up to new possibilities. This promotes creative thinking and enables us to generate unique and innovative ideas. Benefit 2. Increased efficiency. Task unification allows us to streamline processes and systems by leveraging the existing elements and expanding their functionalities. By assigning additional tasks to components, we can eliminate the need for separate elements or processes, leading to increased efficiency and resource optimization. Benefit 3. Cost reduction. By repurposing existing components and assigning them additional tasks, we can reduce the need for developing new elements or acquiring additional resources. This can lead to significant cost savings in product development, manufacturing, and implementation. Benefit 4. Improved user experience. Task unification enables us to design products and services that provide enhanced functionality and convenience to users. By integrating additional tasks into existing components, we can create seamless and intuitive experiences that exceed user expectations. Benefit 5. Technological advancement. Task unification often requires the integration of advanced technologies and innovative solutions. By pushing the boundaries of what components can do, we encourage technological advancements and drive progress in various industries. These are just a few of the many benefits of the task unification technique. By reimagining the role of components in systems, we can create breakthrough solutions that have a profound impact on various industries and society as a whole. We've reached the final segment of our video on the task unification technique in systematic inventive thinking. Throughout this journey, we've explored the power of task unification, its step-by-step process, and the numerous benefits it offers. Now, let's conclude our discussion and recap what we've learned. Task unification is a game changer when it comes to problem solving and innovation. By assigning additional tasks or functions to existing components within a system, we can unlock hidden potential and create unique solutions. It challenges us to think creatively, push boundaries, and reimagine the possibilities. We've seen the benefits firsthand: enhanced creativity, increased efficiency, cost reduction, improved user experience, technological advancement. Task unification empowers us to revolutionize industries, improve products and services, and make a positive impact on society. So, as you embark on your own problem-solving journey, remember to consider the task unification technique. Break down systems, identify components, and explore the potential of assigning additional tasks. Embrace the power of innovation and let your creativity soar. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into task unification. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these innovative techniques. That's it for today's video. We'll be back soon with more exciting topics and valuable insights. Until then, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you for watching this video.